Let's discuss about the question paper pattern of Bengaluru City University for program BBA-Regular and Aviation course, which is as per National Education Policy 2020. The duration of the exam is for 2 hours and the maximum marks is for 60. There are basically 4 sections in the question paper. Section A is based on conceptual questions. Here the candidate is expected to answer any 5 of the following questions and each question carries 2 marks. So that is total sum is 10 marks for this section A. Section B comprises questions which are application-based questions. Answer any 4 of the following questions, each carries 5 marks. And for this section, the total marks is 20. Section C, the questions asked are based on analysis and understanding. Here, each question carries 12 marks. Therefore, a candidate is expected to answer any 2 of the following questions and the total marks for this section is 24. Section D, which is based on skill development questions. If you focus on the syllabus of every subject, at the end of the syllabus, there is a section called skill development, where at least minimum 4 skill development questions are given, which the subject teacher would have made you to write record book. So based on those skill development questions, you need to answer 1 question. And here you'll have a choice of 2 questions and choose one and write it, for which the maximum marks awarded is for 6. So let's sum up and discuss the pattern. As I mentioned, there are 4 sections, A, B, C, and D. A is for 2 mark questions, you need to answer 5. Section B is for 5 marks, need to answer any 4 questions. And section C is 12 marks and you need to answer any 2. And the final section is choose 1 question and answer for which it is 6 marks. The total marks awarded in your question paper is for 60. Let's look at the pattern of the question paper. Duration is for 2 hours, total marks is 60, and this is how your question paper will be framed. So you need to attempt all the questions according to the choices given. Let's answer the question. What is that minimum score which a candidate has to secure to consider to be as pass? Your examination is divided into 2 categories, internal assessment and university written examination. Your internal assessment marks is for 40 maximum. Every candidate is expected to score minimum 16 to pass in your internal assessment. University exams, which is conducted for 60 marks, minimum passing mark is 24. So when you combine and aggregate, one has to secure 40%. Let's understand the university guidelines. No candidate shall be declared to have passed the semester examination, as the case may be under each course, unless he or she obtains not less than 35% in written examination, and in case of internal assessment or practical examination, one has to secure 40%. Together, both IA plus written examination, your marks should be 40%, whichever is prescribed as per the university. So this is how the examination is going to be conducted by the university.